Hi, this is Jeyson. I'm here to present a video presentation about Maze Game. Maze Game is an interactive adventure where players get to interact through a maze, fight hostile characters, and collect items and trade with NPCs like blacksmiths. The goal is to provide players with strategic experience involving exploration, combat, and resource management. The objective of this presentation will focus on how the game works and the design choices made during development. So let's get into the game. When I run the game, it will prompt me a message asking to enter the name. I'm going to enter the name now. And once entering the name, it will uh, show the location which we are currently at, which is the initial location, which is spacious hall. And the user can prompt a help command, which actually shows the list of commands the user can use to interact with the game. And from here, I'm going to use the look command. The look command shows the location which the user is currently at and also the possible locations the user can enter. Uh, right now I can enter east from here. I'm going to enter east. And I've entered reception desk. There is one NPC here. Apart from that, there's nothing much to do here. I'm going to go to east again. So I've entered a location called lecture room 201, which is a classroom, and there is no NPC here as well. And from here, I can go to three other locations. I'm going to go to northeast. In the northeast location, which is lab room 201, there is a shield which I can equip. So before equipping, I'm going to show my current stat. So my current stat is, so I have initial 500 gold pieces and I also have a weight limit of 1593. So I can't exceed that limit. So I'm going to pick this item with the get command. I've successfully equipped the item, and from this location I can go to three other locations. I'm going to go to north now. And I've entered a room called library. There is nothing much to do here, but there is an armor which I can equip. I'm going to equip this armor. I've successfully equipped the armor, and from this location I can go to uh, four other locations. I'm going to go to northwest now. And from this location, there is a room called management office, and there is an NPC called Sukuna. And from here, I can enter three other locations. I'm going to enter southwest now. I've entered a room called staff office, which has an NPC called Heimdall the Mighty. He is the blacksmith. He has some armors, weapons, and shields. I've already have an armor and shield, so I'm going to buy a weapon from him. So my current stat allows me to purchase this weapon, which is the strongest in the game. And I've successfully bought the weapon. And from here, I can go to north and south and also northeast, three other locations. So I'm going to north. I've entered a location called cafeteria, which has a enemy there and also a weapon. So I already have these weapons. I'm going to equip the weapon. I'm going to fight the enemy. I'm going to list the command to see the items which I have, and I'm going to equip each of those items. Successfully equip two items, and I can fight the enemy using the fight command. And I've won the match against the enemy, and I also want something against the enemy, and I can quit the game using the quit command. This is the map which shows the whole layout of the game. And moving on to the next section, design patterns. Design patterns behind the scenes played a key role in shaping the structure of the game. The command pattern was crucial for handling inputs like moving, fighting, and picking up items. Each command's like move or equipped is encapsulated in its own class, making it easy to add new actions or modify existing ones. This modular approach not only simplifies user input management, but also allows for future updates. Next is the singleton pattern, which was used in utility classes like agility table and strengthen table, which ensured that only a single instance of these classes is created throughout the game. This helps maintain consistent game mechanics and reduces memory usage. Finally, the factory pattern was used to create different types of items and NPCs. For example, when creating a weaponry or an enemy, the factory pattern centralizes the creation logic, simplifying the process and promoting code reuse. This allowed us to add new items and NPCs without rewriting the core logic, making the game highly scalable. And moving on to the next topic, which is development methodology. The development process of this game followed the agile methodology, which helped guide the project from start to finish. Agile interactive approach allowed for regular testing and feedback, ensuring that any issues were detected early and improvements were made quickly. This flexibility made it easier to adapt through changes, such as balancing gameplay and adding new features. That's all. Thanks.